That's right, Tesla stock officially hit our technical target today, the $240 support line. Finally! Moreover, Tesla briefly breached the support line today, but it seems to be recovering right now. If Tesla does indeed miss the 240, what we see next won't be pretty, as it will likely look for its next support levels, like the $217, perhaps? Well, that's what we're gonna see in this video, but first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart over here. Yes, Tesla finally hit our technical target, our technical support level at $240, which was a previous bottom level on Tesla right here on June this year. And right now, it seems to be trying to act as a support level again. We have been talking about this support level since Tesla lost the 21 EMA on the daily chart after earnings over here. And after nearly 1 month, okay, we finally got there. But right now, if you ask me, it seems that Tesla wants to react around this support level or above this support level. In that case, probably Tesla is gonna bounce to higher levels again. And what's the problem? The problem is that we don't see any meaningful bottom signal on Tesla stock yet. You may say, oh Nathan, but it is trying to react, right? If it closes above the 240, that would be a good signal, am I right? Well, yes, you are right, that would be a good signal. However, this is not enough for Tesla to actually trigger a bottom signal and trigger a rally, or even less, a true bullish reversal structure. We are still below the 21 EMA on the daily chart, which is pointing downwards, by the way. So this scenario over here, it is not looking that good. In fact, Tesla is right now, short-term speaking, bearish, because apparently the 21 EMA has been acting as a very strong resistance level over here, 1, 2, 3 times, and we are just making new lower lows. But in order for Tesla to actually reverse this bearish sentiment, short-term speaking, we gotta see Tesla breaking the 21 EMA, preferably making higher highs, higher lows as well. In this scenario, alright guys, Tesla is finally prepared to fly again. We are gonna avoid a sharper correction. This is it. But without bullish confirmation, there is nothing else for us to do but wait for a crystal clear buy signal, wait for a crystal clear bottom signal over here. Can you believe that some people, it is a minority, of course, but some people say that I'm bullish on Tesla. Nathan, stop being bullish, right? Stop with your bullishness. Guys, you have no idea of how I operate over here. In fact, recently I gave you guys a short signal, a sell signal at $263 on our Telegram channel. It is right there. If you join us, the beauty of our Telegram channel is that you have access to the previous messages. So if you join right now, you'll see on August 1 or on July 31, I'm so sorry, you will see me saying, guys, if we lose this support level, probably we're gonna seek lower levels, and this is it. So, guys, you have no idea of how I operate. Remember, this channel is not about my thoughts, my opinions. This is about the technicals, all right? I'm here to describe the most important key points to watch closely from here, what to expect next, always obeying what the technical analysis is telling us right here, right now, because trading is not reactive, it is because trading is reactive, it is not predictive. Alright, so right now, all that I know is that Tesla is reacting above a support level. Great. Oh, and by the way, if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video, alright? I totally forgot about it. But right now, Tesla is trying to react. Is this reaction good enough to trigger a buy signal? I will be totally honest with you guys, not for me, okay? I'm not that convinced yet. there are some very interesting signals around, and I'm gonna talk about these signals in this video. But looking at Tesla only over here, this is not enough. We gotta see more confirmation. Of course, in my humble opinion, I'm just a retail trader like you, like everybody else in this channel. Remember that, all right? I'm just a retail trader. I'm not a guru. I'm not an expert over here. I'm just a guy sharing my thoughts here on YouTube. All right. If you wanna hear an expert, just watch Kathy Wood. Right. She has a very nice performance. In 2018, ARK ETF was at $42. Right now, ARK ETF is at $42. So she performs amazingly well, right? Hear what she has to say. Now, what are the good signals that we see on the broad market? Well, the S&P has reached a very important support level. I'm so sorry, dual support level made by this black line over here, the 4.4K, which was the trigger point of this cup and handle chart pattern over here, right? And this purple trend line, which appears to be connecting the previous bottom levels on the S&P since March this year. So yes, we just hit a very important support level. Only if we lose this support level, I believe the S&P is going to trigger a sharper correction, possibly to one of the Fibonacci's retracements over here on the weekly chart. Now, this takes us back to Tesla, but oh no, wait. The Nasdaq index lost its previous support level over here, 15.2K. It filled a gap, and right now it feels like it is just struggling to react, but we are in a no man's land, right? We are not near any clear support level like the S&P is right now. So the situation for tech stocks is more complicated, all right? And this brings us back to Tesla, because right now the situation is not necessarily complicated over here, but it is in a very dangerous position, because if Tesla loses this support level, if we see the S&P losing its dual support level as well, this is gonna probably trigger a sharper correction on the weekly chart on Tesla stock. And in this scenario, the next technical support level is at $217, as seen on the weekly chart over here. We could easily get there. Nathan, 217, wow, that's a lot. There is no other meaningful support level that could possibly hold Tesla stock if it starts dropping. Yes, there are. For instance, we see a gap over here, $235.23. Let me write the specific number, because there is always one little perfectionist over here saying, oh, it's 23 cents, Nathan. Yes, it's 23 cents over here. So we do see a gap area. Maybe Tesla is gonna fill this gap over here next. Maybe not. We gotta see Tesla losing the 240 first. What's more, on the weekly chart, if we use Fibonacci's over here, Fibonacci's retracements, we'll see that Tesla not only reached the 240 support level, but we reached the first retracement, the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. This is why now the moment is critical. The 240 is a very important support level. The 38.2% is another important support level. The S&P is above a dual support level. So we see many things indicating that if the broad market starts to react over here, that would be phenomenal. That would be one of the best buy signals ever on Tesla stock. However, again, we just gotta wait for a clear reaction. If Tesla ignores the 38.2, what usually happens? When we see the first retracement being ignored, usually we see the 50% retracement being respected, meaning we could drop all the way down in one single blow, in one single bearish leg, to the $226 down here, all right? What if Tesla respects the 38.2, bounces again? Where is the path to? I totally lost the path to. It is right here. What if Tesla respects the 38.2, bounces again, but makes a lower high, and then loses the 38? In this scenario, I believe we're gonna seek, I'm so sorry, not I believe, but most of the time we usually ignore the 50% and seek the 61.8% in one single bearish leg. So if we see a top signal after Tesla bouncing from this area, we gotta be extremely careful because this could be the trigger of a sharper correction to the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement at 207. Alright, and these are the most important key points we should watch. If you are still not my subscriber and you are still watching this video so far, come on, subscribe to this channel, click the like button to support me as well. I appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye bye.